Hey, superstars, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Folks, listen, I got something special for you. Would you like to know how to make $700 per day using Google.com, using Google News, okay? And listen, I get it. A lot of you are still not making money, and let me tell you what. Listen, if you want to make money from these videos that I record for you, I'm in New York right now. That's my view. I'm butt naked in my bed, and I'm going to show you how to make $700 per day, and that's about $18,000 per month here. Listen, you have to watch this video twice, not once, not 15, just twice. The first time you watch a video like this so you can learn it is watch it without doing it with me, okay? All I want you to do is just look, listen, and learn, okay? Comment below. Look, listen, and learn. And listen, let me show you proof that this stuff works. This is one of my accounts. I'm up $14,000. And as you can see, the date here is June 2024. It's so easy to make money online. And this is one of the most simplest strategies that I've used in the past that make money if you're brand new. And the great thing about this, listen, is that it is worldwide, okay? It is worldwide. But I want you to understand something, that you have to believe that you can do this. If you have a negative attitude, okay, if you just have one of those very cynical mindsets, you'll never make money, ever. I'm saying you'll never be in New York City in this beautiful hotel looking at this view, butt naked in your bed. You know, look at all those people out there in traffic going to work. That shouldn't be you. Listen, if you want to make money, be positive. In the comment section below, comment something positive and say, you know what, I can do this. I believe in myself. And listen, look, and learn. The second time you watch the video, then I want you to do it with me, okay? Now, if you're ready for me to get started here, to teach you, to show you how this is done, comment the words, "Let's go!" and scream it like that, okay? So look, it's very simple. You're going to type in Google News, go to google.com. Remember, watch it first, okay? Google News like this, all right? Click on Google News. It's a simple, and guess what? It's no affiliate marketing. You don't need an Instagram account or Facebook account. You don't have to record YouTube videos at all. You don't need a camera. All you need to do is do what I'm about to show you here. It's powerful, and it's great for people who have never made money online, and it's great for like young people, because you know, older people, sometimes they set in their ways, but young people, if you don't want to go to college and you don't want to work a job, just imagine making $500 a day, okay, or $700. That's about $18,000, $21,000 a month here. That's not too bad here. So what you're going to click on here is on business. It's important to click on business. Now listen very close here, okay? Now what we're looking at here is articles. Now what we want is top articles, okay? And listen, you don't have to write an article. I get it. A lot of you fail English. You don't even know how to write English. And most of you just can't even write properly anyway. So you don't need to do that, okay? I'm making it very easy and simple. So anybody on the planet, all over the world, can do this right now, okay? And as a matter of fact, what I'm about to show you, they pay through PayPal. They will wire transfer right to your bank account. They make it easy to get the money. So listen close here. So look, I'm going to scroll down, okay? And all I want to do is find a popular article. Now, anything is popular here because these are written in the last 2 hours. CNBC here. Okay, scroll down. Okay. Are you guys with me here? Okay, we can click on entrepreneurship. All we want to do is get an article in the business section. Look at this. Andreessen Horowitz, whatever this guy's name is, triple downs on blockchain startups, $2 billion. That's the guy that owns, I think, Google. No, I'm sure. Click on this, okay? That's a cool article here. So this is what we're going to do. Now stay with me here. And remember, don't do this with me. Just listen first, okay? You want to copy this. That's it. You want to copy this article, okay? And then you want to go to another site by the name of spinbot.com and paste it here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this, because basically somebody that I'm going to show you is going to pay you up to $200, $350, $1 per word to basically to do this, okay? So imagine making $1 per word. It's crazy. I know what you're thinking. I know. You're like, Wesley, I love you. I know. I get it. But listen, all you need to do is spin it. What it's going to do is rearrange these words so you don't copyright it, okay? It's going to rearrange these words to make it readable, which means you're not copywriting. You're just creating more content based off the same content that's online, okay? Does that make sense? You don't need to write a brand new article. Everybody does this, okay? That's why you see content always regurgitated and rewritten just like this all the time. But they have software to do it, so this bot is amazing. So you're going to do this. You're not a human. You're going to hit go, and it's going to rewrite the text for you. Does that make sense? They're going to rewrite the text for you, okay? If you're with me, smash the like button if you're with me, okay? Then the next site you want to go to is eatingwell.com. Say that, eatingwell.com. If you scroll down here, okay, they're going to pay you $1 per word. I mean, this is true. See, many of you believe, listen, I know it's hard to believe that people are actually making money like this, but most people never make money online because they're just so negative. They don't believe it's real. They think everybody's scamming people. Listen, I've been doing it for 10 years. If I'm scamming people, why am I not in jail? Why am I in freaking New York City looking at this beautiful view in this luxury hotel? I'm butt naked. You see my toes right there, right? Obviously, this is real. The problem with you is you're just negative. You know, you got to be positive. You got to believe that you can do it. They're going to pay you $1 per word. That's all you do to get your money. Look, once you get your article and it's ready to go, scroll down here, okay? Scroll down. You're going to email this email address right here, pitches@eatingwell.com. Make sure you read the guidelines to make sure that you're meeting their standards here. Include Eating Well, okay, website pitch or whatever. And you just email them the article. That's it. And if your article is amazing, they like it, they're going to pay you money. That's $1 per word. So it's up to you. Like, say if you had 1,000 words right here, it's $1,000. I know what you think. It's amazing, right? Well, go ahead and share the video. Listen, if you sub to my channel on YouTube, if you share these videos and like it, I will continue to do this. I will continue to show you. Look, it's no reason why you can't make $14,000 a day. One day you will, but first make $100 a day. Make $500. That's how I started. Okay? I wasn't always in this luxury hotel and spending $3,000 a night in hotels, right? With ironing boards. Does that make sense? All right? You got to truly believe that you can do this, okay? Let me give you another site. Give me a second here. Stay with me, okay? In the comments below. Oh, somebody said, is it a limit on how many times you can do this? Nope. Listen, I got a friend right now. This is what he does all day. He's 21 years old. He does this all day. He doesn't even live in America either. He does this all day at sites like this, okay? Over and over again, over and over again. And it only takes, listen, say if you spend 8 hours instead of 8 hours working a job, and you did this, and you submitted about 10 to 20 articles, okay? And they chose one, and that article is 500 words, they're going to pay you $500. Here's another site. Look, I'm going to give you massive value here. Go to sierraclub.com.org. sierraclub.org, okay? Look at these guys. $350 they're going to pay you. Look at that. Because all you're doing is contributing articles to the site. And all you're doing is going to Google News, because you know it's popular here, right? They like popularity, of course, right? And you're going to rewrite the article on SpinBot. I mean, this is so easy. Who can't do it? Smash the like button if you got massive value, if you can do this right now. This is so simple. I mean, I know what you're thinking. It's too easy. Listen, when you think it's just too good to be true, it's just too easy, listen, it doesn't mean that it's not. It is people. I know, man, they're making crazy money online. Listen, if Jeff Bezos can make billions of dollars per month, I mean, why can't you make $500 a day? And he has the internet company. I mean, so listen, that's all you have to do. You can keep doing this over and over again. You just submit to these guys here. Make sure you give them their PayPal account. If you scroll down here, they give you the email address to mail them as well. You just mail them the article, right? See? Just make sure you read this. Read the guidelines here. And you just submit it to their emails. Keep doing it over and over again. When they get one that they like, they're going to pay you the money. PayPal, bank transfer, wire, Zelle, pay, whatever, right? It doesn't matter what country But what's important is this: you got to do it. Take action. Now, if you want to make $10,000 per day, I will put a link in the bio below. As a matter of fact, I'll put it right here. If you want to work with me a little bit one-on-one personally here, and basically I can show you how to make $10,000 per month, basically creating products online. That's what I do. Okay, you go here if you need some help. Go here, right here, wesleyvirgin.com/online-help. I can guarantee if you do the work, right, you believe in yourself, have faith in yourself, and realize that your life where it is right now is not where it's supposed to be, go to the site. Doesn't cost any money to try it, to give it a go, to look at the site, read the material. If it's something for you, jump in. I would love to work with you. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. Smash the like button if you got any value. Motivated, dedicated. Let's get it.